Hello friends, we are making finger millet laddoos or ragi laddoos today. For this, we are pouring clarified butter in a pan. Once it is melted, we'll add flaxseed to this and we'll fry it till they turn aromatic or starts crackling. This is a gluten-free recipe which has various health benefits. Now we are adding pumpkin seed to this. With this we'll add melon seed. These are rich in fiber content, good for weight loss, boosts hair growth and treats anemia. We'll add sunflower seed and chia seed to this. Ragi is rich in iron, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium and protein along with other nuts and seeds. The richness of laddu improves multifold. We'll be frying all these seeds till they turn aromatic, and then we start adding the nuts like cashew nut, almonds. You may add walnuts, pista or any other nuts of your choice. Once done, transfer to a clean plate. In the same pan, add clarified butter once again. Add foxnut to it and saute till they are crispy. Check by breaking one of the nuts. Should be crispy. Again, we are taking clarified butter in the pan, and this time we have taken almost half kg of ragi flour. Fry it till they turn aromatic or the rawness of the flour goes off. It takes some time to fry this. Be patient. Once the flour turn aromatic, switch off the flame. Now we'll grind all the nuts and seeds and mix with the flour. I'm finding it difficult to mix, so I'm transferring it to another vessel so that I can easily mix all the ingredients. Mix everything thoroughly. To this add cardamom powder and dry ginger powder. Mix again. Make a well and pour honey into it. Alternatively, you may use jaggery or sugar syrup. You may use your hand since it won't be that hot. Try making laddoos when the ingredients are still warm. Try making these at home and let me know in comment how it turned out. Thanks for watching. Do share and subscribe if you like the content.